So where are we today? On the Zambo television. There's something you don't see very often. That's a turbocharger on a motorbike.
Yeah.
Now, did the turbocharger come standard on the motorbike, Stuart?
No.
Who put that on?
That was put on by a guy called Pete Fields.
Right.
Down south, but hasn't done the greatest of jobs.
Now.
Now.
I'll
be honest here.
How much power would this motorcycle put out if that turbocharger was running proper?
210 horsepower, safe.
And that'll give it a power to weight ratio better than a F-15 fighter jet.
More than likely, not be far off of it, I would say.
Right, Stuart, what do we do at EA Customs? Because I've noticed there are some absolutely fabulous motorbikes flying about.
Absolutely everything between basically a service to full overhaul rebuilds.
You do bespoke machining to help these things go a wee bit quick.
Yes, bespoke machining, metalwork, absolutely everything, welding, fabricating.
You take a good motorbike and make the motorbike better.
Yeah.
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 So what's this thing over here? Come on, show off a wee bit, Stuart.
Is a 1978 Suzuki GS 750. That's coming in for a full top end rebuild because it's burning oil after 35 years.
So this came out of Suzuki's factory. When was that?
1978, I'm sure it is.
That's a pretty advanced engine for 1978. Eh? Aye. So we've got a wee 4-cylinder job, 4 carburetors, carburetor per cylinder. Is that twin overhead camshaft?
Yep. Aye.
So the Japs were doing the business back in the day.
The Japs knew what the score was back then. Now we're onto more modern bikes now, and
Right, so what's this thing over here?
that's a 2002 Yamaha R6 in for a major service come carburetor rebuild.
The quality of everything on this bike's pretty good.
Aye. From the 70s to now, the bike's frame's been lightened, I would say, well over 2/3.
And it's got massive braking force for this. What's the power output of this thing?
For a 600cc bike, about 125 horsepower.
So the thing with the turbocharger is roughly twice the power of this.
Definitely.
Unbelievable. Would you sit in that thing?
Would I?
Would you try?
Of course I would.
Right, show me some of the machines.
Well, we've got vertical machining centres.
Right, I'm gutted. I was going to ask Bob to come up today because he would be. What does a vertical machining centre do? Stuart?
Well, we can do anything from making. Well, that's a upcycle, should I say, pulley off of a Harley, made into a clock.
Made into a
clock face.
Oh, you're making it a clock face? So that I would call that motorcycle pornography, Stuart.
Yeah, you could say that.
Aye.
And then, as I say, everything we can
What,
make.
what does the machine do? Quickly run through.
Literally, you can do absolutely anything with it. You can set programs up, clamp things onto the
It's all
table.
CNC.
All CNC.
Right.
35-year-old CNC machine, but still does what it says in the tin.
Tolerances on it?
Plus or minus half micron still.
A half a micron.
Half a micron still, yeah.
So that's up at aerospace levels.
Aye, absolutely. Definitely up at aerospace.
Right, come on, show me another machine. I'm just. Oh. And this is an original.
Yeah, that's an original Triumph 750 Bonneville with an oil slick as well to make sure it's properly British.
Right, so if it doesn't look oil, it's not a proper British bike. How old is this thing?
1978? 78, yeah, 1978.
They're well sought after motorbikes. Right, what we got over here?
The manual machine shop, where you'll find lathes and more lathes and
So
machines and bonnets. And
this isn't a motorcycle cylinder head.
no, that's a bus cylinder head.
It's a bus cylinder head. What's this off of?
That's off of a Leyland Atlantean.
So you can skim cylinder heads, recut valves, do the whole thing.
We can do everything, yeah.
And how old's that machine?
That machine will only be about 25-year-old.
Is that right, Stuart? It looks like something that, I don't know, a Frankenstein movie or something. It's beautiful. Absolutely wonderful looking bit of kit. And this thing over here is a
There's another milling machine, but that's more used for the one-off jobs that just need a wee bit skimmed off them.
And you would do this by hand and by eye? Or, no, it's got the...
By readout, digital readout and everything, so...
So it's absolutely amazing, right? I noticed Boris is hiding, but we've got to get him in this one.
Boris
Is this the Boris cave? We've had the Bob.
Boris cave.
We've had the Bob cave in the Zambo TV, right, Boris? We need you to say hello.
Hello.
Hello. Right. What are you up to today, Boris?
I'm making heat shields for Stuart's father's new motorcycle.
And what material are we working with?
That's stainless steel.
That's stainless steel. That's a hard material to work in, Boris, isn't it? Yeah. And you can MIG, TIG, do the hokey cokey?
Yeah.
Yeah. Fantastic. Yeah. And tell me about this welding machine, because I've been using one that costs £25.
That's just an ordinary MIG welder. So
Right, nothing special there?
nothing special.
Right. What gas mix are we using in the
That's
argon,
and
CO2?
15% CO2.
Right, fantastic. I noticed a pile of motorcycles outside, so let's quite have a look at them then, because this one could go on for days. A lot of my channels about Scotland's engineering heritage and history, actually seeing guys that know what they're doing, keeping it alive. This stuff used to pump through our blood. We've lost so much. Right, take us through them.
That's my wee daily commuter
That gets you up and down to work.
yeah, without any issues because it's Japanese.
So Japanese bikes are still reliable, Stuart, aye?
I would say so.
What have we got here?
That's a Harley Davidson Electric Glide Ultra Classic.
Is that what the American police officers used to use?
Yeah.
They're very sought after, very expensive.
Yes, that's mine anyway.
That's you on an electric one. Boris, do you have a motorbike?
I have a motorbike.
Of course you have a motorbike. What type of motorbike do you have?
I have a Harris Ducati.
You've got a Ducati?
Yeah, I got 2 Ducatis.
Boris, I've known you for years and the mystery's just beginning to unfold. Right, right, now, Stuart, there's too many wheels in this.
Trike for my other half.
So this is your girlfriend's daily commute?
Well, until, yes, you could say that, aye.
That's like a big V-twin and there's too many wheels in this.
Too many wheels for me.
So what was the back axle in that, do you know?
A Reliant Robin.
Honestly?
That's a Reliant Robin axle.
And that can handle the power from that engine?
Yeah. Yeah, there's not exactly much power comes from it, but it'll do the job.
That thing looks meaty.
More than a Reliant Robin.
That looks really
That's
meaty.
a 1997 ZZR 600 in for a full wiring harness to be refitted onto it.
It's run since 1997.
It has run since 1997, but it's not run in the last 6 years or something like that.
Alright, so it's been sitting in somebody's garage. But that thing looks as if it's doing 150 miles an hour when it's not even switched on. You would 150 miles an hour. Whoa, what is this?
That's on 1985.
Is that a water cooled engine?
Yeah, early water cooled 700 Honda VT 700, I'm sure.
So were they trying to get into the Harley Davidson market with this type of?
And failed miserably.
They failed miserably?
Yeah.
Why did they fail? Everybody wanted Harleys?
Yeah.
But surely that would be more reliable? No?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Boris would say yes, I'd say no.
Alright, we've got a conflict of opinions. And last but by no means least.
That's a 2023
No way, this is brand new?
BSA 650 Legend. The Gold Star Legend, sorry. So that's the head,
So this is a modern thing trying to look old?
yeah, that's the first.
Oh, it's got one massive big cylinder on it.
That's the first production BSA bike to come into the west coast of Scotland.
Run that one past me again, Stuart.
That's the first BSA 650 Gold Star to come into the west coast of Scotland 2 months ago.
That's a first in the Zambo TV as well. So this is the only one in Scotland.
Aye.
It looks absolutely spotless. Where are you going, Boris?
That's what I was making today.
That's what Boris was up to.
Yeah, I was making another one of those. That's the first one I made. I'm making a better one.
Right, so I think the only thing to do here is, the business is called
EA Customs.
EA Customs, where are you based?
Based in Kilmarnock.
Kilmarnock. I'll stick links in the description below. Boris, give it a bye-bye YouTube.
Goodbye, YouTube.
Stuart, thank you
Goodbye,
so much for your
YouTube.
time.
Cheers, pal.
I know just all. Brilliant. I've hardly been uploading. Oh God. So it's going to get there.